Hey, this is my best friend's house, and here's my best friend's mom, Goodman Central Air Conditioner. Um, this is I think this is a 4 ton. You can see right here. I said sure. This AC has great shape. Like I said, it has a G. So a nice fan motor right here. Or it's got I think has a little compressor or a big one. Yeah, that's a big one. You can see that. That's a get disconnect thing, I think. Yep. So yeah, it's got a very nice pad right here. Yeah. So if y'all like air conditioners, please comment. Please comment below. So, thanks for watching.